We got a 250 gallon off-road smoker rolling out shop today. This one heading my man Chad. He's got quite the slick setup here, guys. Let's check it out. I'm gonna set my ice cold C4 down on this stainless steel front shelf. First one we've done on a tank smoker on the off-road package. Came out great. This is a really slick setup, really like this. Start off with a tank, like I mentioned, 250 gallon tank. That is the smallest tank smoker we offer. But size don't always matter, guys. That's what she says. Still fit a lot of food on this thing. We got double top rack. Gives you a little more capacity. Top racks are standard on every TMG pit, all right? If you call in and Brandon tries to charge you extra, call me. I'll teach him a lesson, all right? So 2 sliding top racks. We got the fire poker. We got 3 bottom trays in here. Bottom trays are removable, so it makes it easy to clean up underneath there. 1.5 inch ball valve grease drain. The counterweights are an add-on on the 250. They're not necessary, but they do make it a little easier. TMG Pitts Tell Truth thermometers added as a standard feature. The eyebrow is an upgrade. Looks pretty slick on here. I really like that. Fold down stack, standard feature on every offset tank smoker we build. Off-road package, upgraded wheels and tires. This is our XL tire package on here. We got the really cool 3-dimensional fabricated axles, the brace underneath, really showing off our fabrication skills. By us, I don't mean me, I mean my guys in the shop. Utensil holder, paper towel holder on the front shelf there. Step around the firebox. This is our fully insulated firebox, which comes, once again, standard on every tank smoker we build. We'll pop her open here. Now, Chad also got our TMG torch charcoal chimney. Now, you don't have to have a TMG pit to use this. It does help, but you don't have to. Get it on our website, $100 plus shipping, lifetime warranty, guys. If it ever burns out, it's on me. Now, if you run it over with your pickup truck, I can't help you. Probably pop your tire. But that's on you, all right? Fully insulated firebox, doors insulated, for front of it's insulated as well. Holds heat great. Makes this pit just a dream to run. So guys, as always, you know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.